Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a novice homeowner looking to tackle your first project, having a set of reliable handyman tips and tricks at your disposal can make all the difference. These practical insights and clever shortcuts are designed to save you time, money, and headaches along your home improvement journey. Let's take a look at handyman tips and tricks that really work. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. When crafting the adjunction of a hollow pith to a plat band, it's important to ensure a seamless and polished appearance. By following this method, you can achieve a perfectly finished edge where the two elements meet. This technique is especially beneficial for enhancing the aesthetic appeal of architectural features or decorative elements in interior design. Zip ties are a super helpful tool that should be a staple in any workshop. They offer a wide range of applications, from organizing cables and wires to securing objects in place. Their flexibility and ease of use make them an indispensable resource for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals in various industries. Need a diagonal cut that perfectly matches the wall? This hack is for you. By following this technique, you can achieve clean and accurate diagonal cuts, ensuring a seamless integration with the surrounding elements. This is particularly useful when working with materials such as wood, laminate, or tiles, where precise cutting is crucial for a professional finish. Creating a coiling tool can greatly simplify wire finishing tasks. By using a few simple materials, you can construct a practical tool for neatly wrapping and organizing wires. This technique is especially valuable in electronics, electrical work, or any project that involves managing and securing multiple wires or cables. You can use the strength of pliers to cut nails or screws, providing a more effective and durable connection. By utilizing this quick hack, the resulting bond will be stronger and less likely to come loose over time. This technique is particularly useful when working on projects that require secure fastening, such as construction or carpentry. Pliers are not only handy for cutting nails and screws, but also excel at cutting through tin. This makes them a versatile tool for various projects, including electrical work, metal crafting, or even DIY repairs. With their cutting capabilities, pliers can create clean and precise openings, allowing for the insertion of components or the installation of fixtures. A piece of the same pipe can serve as a perfect anchor when you need to secure objects or components in place. By using a section of PVC pipe, you can provide stability and support, ensuring that the anchored item remains firmly fixed. Remember to measure and cut the pipe to the appropriate length, avoiding excessive cutting that could compromise its effectiveness. French cleats are an excellent method for securely hanging cabinets, mirrors, artworks, or other objects on a wall. By using a molding with a 30 degrees to 45 degrees slope, you can create a reliable and stable mounting system. This technique is particularly useful when you need to hang heavy or large objects, providing both strength and ease of installation. When tiling a wall, creating a template can simplify the process of cutting tiles to fit around windows and cabinets. By constructing a template that matches the desired shape and dimensions, you can ensure precise tile cuts and seamless installation. This technique is particularly useful in bathroom or kitchen renovations, where tile placement requires careful attention to detail. Tiles are commonly installed using adhesive and then covered with grouting. This two-step process ensures secure adhesion and a finished appearance. By applying adhesive to the back of each tile and then aligning and pressing them into a surface, you can create a sturdy and visually appealing tiled area. Once the adhesive has set, applying grout between the tiles helps to fill the gaps and provide a cohesive finish. Taking measurements without a ruler? No problem. There are several techniques you can use with your hand to approximate measurements. These hand measurements can be helpful in situations where you don't have a measuring tool readily available, allowing you to estimate distances or sizes using your own hand span or finger lengths. Anchors can be made more secure by cutting open the end and placing a smaller anchor inside. This method creates a robust connection that opens up when the screw is fastened, making it difficult to remove. By using this technique, you can ensure that your anchors provide maximum stability and support for objects mounted on walls or other surfaces. Extend the length of a hose with fewer materials using a coiling hack. By employing this technique, you can create a longer and more versatile hose without the need for extensive additional materials. This can be particularly useful for gardening or irrigation purposes, providing a greater reach and flexibility in your watering activities. A PVC piece of pipe can serve as an effective anchor, provided that you avoid cutting too much and compromising its functionality. PVC pipes offer stability and durability when used as anchors, making them suitable for various applications. Whether you need to secure objects, create supports, or stabilize structures, a properly sized and installed PVC anchor can provide reliable support. When working with irregular shapes, especially on vertical surfaces, following them accurately can be a challenge. There are several techniques you can employ to overcome this hurdle. Using a compass to create a mark on a piece of material allows you to replicate the irregular shape with precision. This method ensures a seamless fit and professional finish, particularly when dealing with complex shapes or curved surfaces. Creating precise and clean masking tape lines can be achieved by using both gutters as a guide. By aligning the gutters with the desired tape placement, you can ensure straight and accurate lines. This technique is particularly useful when painting or applying finishes, as it helps create well-defined borders and edges. Adding a couple of wheels to a door can significantly ease its movement and make it more convenient to open and close. By installing wheels at the base of the door, you can reduce friction and resistance, allowing for smoother operation. This technique is especially beneficial for heavy or large doors, improving accessibility and usability. Watch and learn as a worker fixes a burn in a laminated floor. When dealing with a damaged section, the best approach is often to remove the burnt part and replace it. This process involves carefully cutting out the damaged portion and replacing it with a new piece, ensuring a seamless and visually consistent floor surface. Additionally, finding putty that matches the color or blending shades can help achieve a natural and seamless transition. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.